This court has a small but significant body of case law addressing the constitutional distinction between revision and amendment. The court has made it clear that a measure that is relatively simple and short can have a significant impact on the structure of our Constitution and the framework of our government, that an amendment has to be consistent, a measure that is consistent with the existing purposes, principles, structure of our Constitution, and the revision is a measure that substantially changes the existing purposes.
And would you connect your argument to that rule or that principle?
Yes. Proposition 8 changes the basic nature of our government from one in which majorities are prohibited from infringing on the rights of minorities.
In making that argument, I presume you're relying on the two-part test that this court has established in determining whether a particular initiative is an amendment or a revision. And presumably you would agree that in determining whether an initiative is a revision, we first ask, is it quantitative? Does it have lots of words? For instance, in one case, I think the initiative had 22,000 words, and the Constitution at that time had 50,000 plus words. I presume that you would readily agree that in this particular case, this court shouldn't be concerned with the quantitative part of the test. We're dealing with 14 words in the initiative.
Petitioners have not advanced the argument that Proposition 8 is a quantitative revision. I would note, though, that there are numerous equality provisions all through the California Constitution, as well as an animating, pervasive sort of
Getting to the core of the issue in this particular case, let's, for purposes of oral argument, leave aside the quantitative part of the test. As I pointed out, we're dealing with 14 words. And at least as I view it, these 14 words do not substantially alter the nature of our state constitution, nor do they affect the basic structure of government in California. Let's deal with the qualitative part of the revision test.